right, so we're going to show you kind of a fun exercise, I think. What it is we're going to learn how to create a little bit of a rounded position in your low back and then ultimately to rock back. So you'll rock back and then go back to sitting position or even to a squat position. So the first piece is you have to know how to allow your back to round and keep a good stable trunk. So let's see if I can explain it. So what you want to do is normally it's this position. You want to be in a bent sit position, chest up nice and tall, okay? So this position makes you want to collapse. That's what you want to fight against. That's part of the point. So you lift your chest up tall, engage here, flex your feet. Now from here, what you're going to do is allow your back to round a little bit, okay? So it's not pulling the chest down and the head forward. It's allowing the pelvis to subtly roll back. And if you'll notice, what that does is that introduces a little bit of a subtle curve into your back. And then from here, you're going to simply roll back. So back to sitting. This would be a rocking position. Now, if it's hard for you to do it free like I just did, it is permissible to hang onto the knees in the beginning. You allow your back to round, and then it's like a hobby horse. You roll back up. See? So back to bent sit. So it's here. Notice I'm keeping a rounded back, body frame stays consistent, and we just roll back. Now, what you don't want is a flat back, because then when you fall back, it's like smack, and that's not real comfortable. So that's not desirable. It's not real good for you either. But holding that position, there's a couple options that you can do. So it's here, engage. You can rock back here, and then you can learn to be a little more forceful, where it's push, and you go up to your feet. So it actually can be used to rock all the way to your feet into a deep squat. So lots of cool stuff that you can do. Awesome exercise for learning spine control and trunk stability.